I've tested some cool e-ink tablets over the years, but this one takes the cake. It is so freaking thin. This is the AINOTE 2 from iFlyTek, their brand new e-ink tablet, and it is the world's thinnest e-ink tablet. Yes, that is a genuine award in title that it holds right now. And I am super excited to be able to test this unit before it reaches mass production. And I've been testing it out for the past couple weeks, and it is a really exciting piece of tech that I think a lot of my audience and a lot of you guys watching, if you're into e-ink devices, I think this is really going to excite you and really interest you. Now, if you didn't see my video, I tested iFlyTek's AINOTE Air 2. This is the successor to that product. It is everything that I liked about that device, just bigger and better. The only thing it's missing is the scanner camera on the back, but when you see how thin the AINOTE 2 is, you understand why they dropped that piece of tech in favor of this super thin design. It's very sleek, very light profile, super easy to hold in the hands, and the pen marker with it has been completely redesigned as well. So first in the box, of course, right on top is the AINOTE 2 in a nice wrap. And you can see just how crazy thin this device is. Everything is housed at the top and bottom, and it is incredibly lightweight. It's just 4.2 millimeters thin and under 295 grams. At 10.6 inches in size, it's pretty crazy to hold this in the hand. Of course, it comes with a USB-C cable for charging, which is great to see. And lastly, we have the redesigned marker or pen stylus for the AINOTE 2, and it just has a great feel in the hand. Grippy, and it has that customizable control button, which allows you to have dual actions when you're writing or sketching. This is a major leg up over the competition, aka the Remarkables of the world, that just have the standard markers and they do not have the action button. And unlike with the Remarkable line, you do not have to pay for the eraser end. It is included in the AINOTE 2, which is also very welcome. Now, what does the AINOTE 2 do? Well, it has a lot of the similar features and functionalities of the other e-ink devices out there. Of course, you can take notes, you can write, you can sketch. There's a multitude of pen settings, marker settings, so you can write in calligraphy, or you can go really thin in your lines, really thick. You can kind of paint, highlight. All of that great functionality is here. If you've used an e-ink device with writing and handwriting before, you know exactly what you're getting into. It feels great on the AINOTE 2, and it has a really nice feedback. It has a great texture to the screen that does replicate some of that writing on paper feeling. What really sets the AINOTE line of tablets apart from the rest is all of the other things that you can do on it besides just taking notes. It has a calendar, it has a to-do list, it has an ebook section, it has the Google Play App Store, and it is Android powered, so you can install a whole host of different apps and productivity tools on here to suit your needs. It's not locked in and restricted just to sketching, reading, and writing. You can do actual productivity things on the AINOTE 2, and it all works very well. Everything that I loved functionally on the AINOTE Air 2 is here, but on that bigger screen with that faster processor. Of course, it's brand new. It is faster, more responsive than that outgoing model. Everything is very snappy and responsive to the touch. Pen inputs, there's zero lag. It's great to see. But what really sets the AINOTE line apart from the rest is the AI functionality. It has ChatGPT integrated, voice recognition, text-to-speech, all of that is here. So much like with a, say, Plod Note, you can record your meetings or your to-do list or your grocery list. That will then be transcribed into text on device. You can email that out. It has an email application built in, which is amazing. You can attach, say, a to-do list or a grocery list to something in your calendar or to a to-do. You can actually link them together. This is super, super helpful. So you can take it on the go because you can get the companion app for your phone and you can look at that later exactly as you dictated it. You can listen to the note, but also then read it back. It's super responsive. and very, very accurate. Very minimal errors in my time of testing. And again, that's the benefit of having something like ChatGPT embedded right into this kind of device. You are leveraging the biggest AI models to do your workload, and it works super well. And of course, these are all things that I have said for ages in my e-ink device reviews that I love to see, because yes, the core functionality and core idea of being able to take notes and read on the go without all the distractions of applications, there is something there, and I respect that and I can appreciate it. And that's why I love using an e-ink device day to day for my day job and for my personal work and for crafting videos here for the channel. However, I do find myself on other e-ink devices feeling very limited by what I can actually do outside of taking notes and reviewing them. There is that limiting feeling in a lot of these devices, but on the AINOTE line of products, I don't feel that way. I have a calculator, I have a to-do list, I have my calendar, I can send emails, I can read emails if I need to on the go, on a really responsive e-ink device. I'm not going to be able to like stream videos or play games on a device like this, but that's okay because my core productivity suite of tools, functions, and apps is all here, all available, and all work so well. And like I said, they're super integrated, so I can link everything up, send documents back and forth, sync across multiple devices. It's fantastic, and it's just so easy, and I really wish that other brands out there would take a note from AINOTE's pages and integrate some of these functionalities, because they are so next level and so easy and intuitive to use. They're really pushing the envelope. Now, as I said, this is a pre-release model, so there have been a few quirks here and there, but it's great to see that iFlyTech is pushing a number of software updates. I've gotten 2 just in the time that I've been testing this device out, so that's exciting and very reassuring that by the time you get this in your own hands, it will be fully fledged out and perfectly operating, other than a couple of little hiccups with applications, nothing major though. On the design side, yes, this is the thinnest, lightest e-ink tablet. With that comes a little bit of a trade-off from rigidity. However, even though there is a little bit of flex when you apply pressure to write on this device, I've never felt like it's going to give out on me or break. It's felt extremely solid throughout my weeks of testing. And with this new product, AINOTE is introducing a whole suite of accessories. You'll see on the back, there is a dongle for their new keyboard case, and it has magnetic attachments for folio cases, for lack of a better word. So they have looked at what other people in the space are doing, again, say your Remarkables of the world, and they've taken some of the benefits and the pros of those products and carried them into this product. And personally, I think that any e-ink device that can be paired up with a keyboard case is a step above. It just unlocks so much more functionality, so much more capability, and enables you to move faster through your workflows. Because ultimately, what are you doing with a device like this? Yes, you could record your meetings and have it transcribed, but if you ever want to do some writing just in a quiet corner of a room, but you want to bang it out really quickly, the keyboard case is the way to do that. The screen looks great. It's anti-glare, perfect for use inside or outside. The only thing really missing from this device is the ability to reproduce colors. Yes, you can do shades, but color is really the only missing piece. But AINOTE has really done an amazing job of building a super compelling product. And whether you're a student, a teacher, or a business professional, or somebody like me doing content creation, taking notes on the go, listening and recording meetings, I really think the AINOTE 2 is one of the best all-around packages to do that with. If you want to check it out, I'll leave links, again, as noted, down in the description below to look at the AINOTE 2 for yourself. But as always, guys, what do you think about the AINOTE 2? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you to the team over at iFlyTech and AINOTE for sending this device over ahead of public release for me to test out and review for you guys on the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.